Teddy Santis and New Balance have recently been on fire, dropping one nice colorway after the other for New Balance USA. And in this video, I got the latest colorway to drop, and it might be one of the boldest ones yet. My name is Josh, and I will be reviewing the New Balance Made in USA 990 V3 Scarlet. So what is good, guys, and welcome back to all of my long-term viewers. Shout out to you for supporting the channel. And if this is your first time here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews and all types of other sneaker content. If that is something you're looking for, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I am dropping at least 3 videos a week. And for some easy listening content, make sure you check out my bi-weekly podcast, The Kickback Pod, available on all streaming platforms. Link is in the description. And give me a follow on Instagram at JDKick6 if you're looking for more how to style type of content. So let's get into it. The New Balance 990 V3 Scarlet, the latest release from Teddy Santis as part of his role as creative director of New Balance USA. Virgil Abloh had the 10, well, Teddy Santis, he's got the 16. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this picture that was released several months ago. An overhead shot of all 16 of the colorways that were gonna drop this year. And we're already at the halfway point. And so far, at least, pretty much all of the releases have featured very clean colorways with some neutral tones, a lot of beige, a lot of gray tones. But it seems like the last few colorways, the last one being the 990 V3 in the amethyst purple colorway, and these ones right here, the scarlet red, it seems like New Balance is now releasing more of the bolder and louder colorways, which I guess is part of the release strategy. Summertime, you do tend to wear more bolder colors. But to be honest, when I saw pictures of the shoe, I was a bit surprised by the colorway choice. I've said this in a previous video, what I love so far about what Teddy Santis has managed to accomplish with this Made in USA line is that he's established colorways that look very different from GR New Balances, while at the same time not looking like an ALD colorway. It's like New Balance USA is its own thing, it kind of has its own mood board. But in the pictures at least of the shoe, I thought, you know what, this one kind of does look like a GR New Balance. Because we've seen some similar 990 looking colorways that have featured this red color. But I am very happy to say that after getting these in hand, these do not look like the pictures. For example, the red that's used on this is just a much darker tone of red, whereas in the pictures I felt like it did look a lot brighter. The red on this, I gotta say, is this dark, deep, beautiful shade of red. Almost a burgundy color, but not really. For example, here I have the 2002 R from the Higher Learning Pack, which was the burgundy colorway. And although they do look quite similar, the two pairs, I will say this Higher Learning Pack, the red is a lot more purple in tone, whereas the red used on this shoe, it's not as bright, it's a bit more muted down. And then you get these nice, really nice hits of muted gray on the toe box as well as the N logo. You also see gray on the tongue as well as the midsole. And finally, you have these nice hits of cream on the midsole as well as the standard laces that come with the shoe. So definitely I would say after having these in hand, that Teddy Santis vibe, that New Balance USA vibe that he's established, it's very much there on this shoe. You know what I'm talking about, that clean, mature, this ain't your regular New Balance type of vibe. Moving on to the quality of the shoe, with this New Balance USA line, it's pretty much copy and paste with the quality. They are all really good. Some very, very nice suede used here, very nice and soft. Definitely the quality of this line is a lot better in my opinion than your GR New Balances. And it's good that the quality is nice on these because probably my biggest issue with the New Balance USA line is the price tag, especially out here in Europe. So the retail price of this is 230 euros. I know it goes for a bit cheaper in the US, but it is more expensive than your regular New Balance. And that is just a lot of money. Let's say you copped another colorway recently. For example, I know a lot of you guys went after that sea salt colorway in the 990 V2s and the V3s. If you copped one of those and then you want to cop these, well, that's almost 500 euros basically just on 2 pairs of shoes. So you really got to pick and choose your colorways here. For sizing on these, so with the 990 V3, I think most people can comfortably go down half a size, especially if you have narrow feet. I could go down half a size and the shoes still fit me fine. However, usually in 990 V3s, I prefer to go true to size because around this toe area near the forefoot, my feet does feel a little bit squeezed in going half a size down. So I personally prefer to go up true to size. My recommendation to you is just go with your normal 990 sizing. For most people, that's a half size down. Wide foot gang, you probably want to go true to size. I'm not going to really talk about resale with the shoe because recently most of the Teddy Santis releases have been sitting, including surprisingly those sea salt colorways, which I thought for sure would sell out. And this colorway, it's not for everyone. I don't expect it to sell out, so just know you should be able to get this for retail if you want them. Overall, the New Balance 990 V3 made in USA Scarlet. Are these a cop or a drop? Great quality as usual, very nice colorway. If you typically like to wear colorways like these, then I would say these are a cop, especially because you are getting some really nice quality on this pair. I'm probably gonna give these a pass because it's not my favorite colorway, and I also recently copped the sea salt, so I'm not sure I really need these. But let me know down in the comments so far what has been your favorite colorway to drop, and also your thoughts on this shoe right here. Will you be copping a pair? Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It really helps me out. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.